Well, hello my friends. Welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend, Scott. And we got a best gift. So that's what it says. So this is a cookbook stand. So we're gonna go ahead, open this up and see how it looks. It's really cool. So everything folds and it has a little leg for a stand. This folds out and allows you to set on a tablet, a laptop, or even a cookbook that it's designed for, but it's got multiple uses. So it looks like this gets placed down in the holes here, just like that. All right, my friends, so as you can see, we have a decent sized cookbook. So it holds it really well. Depending on how it's put up, obviously with this bar being on, you can't open it. You would have to pull it up and open it. However, if you pull out this bar, because the bar doesn't have to be used, you pull out the bar, you can now freely open it and do everything through there. So overall, guys, it actually does work good. And it does make a good gift.